Hey, so it is that Thanksgiving season, and you might ask yourself, or you might already know what you do with it, but what do you do with all your turkey that's leftover turkey, and especially the turkey carcass? And so a good thing to do, we can only eat so many turkey sandwiches. A lot of times we will make turkey pot pie, and then sometimes we will make turkey and dumplings, sort of like chicken and dumplings, except using turkey and dumplings. And to make those things, you need some turkey stock. And so that's the good use for your turkey carcass. And so really what you're doing, you're pulling that flavor out of the leftover meat and bones that you didn't eat. So, Thanksgiving Day, you eat your turkey, save your turkey carcass, all the bones, save your cuttings from your vegetables. These are the end pieces of celery that a lot of people don't eat. And then you can make you a good stock to use to make turkey and dumplings. And so what's the difference in a stock and a broth? A lot of times they're interchangeable really in recipes. But I believe the definition would be that a broth is more made with meat, and a stock is made with the bones, and it'll pull the flavor out of the bones. So I got a pot of water here. I am using my pasta pot. I like to use this for this because you've got solids and you're going to want to keep the liquid. And so using the pasta pot, I can pull that out and pull all the solids out at one time. So really everything just goes in a pot. And so there's some celery. Here's some onion, red onion. Just leave that skin on. You're not going to eat it anyway. It'll be fine. Put your onion in there. A couple of carrots. You want some vegetables. And so that's what that is. Some herbs. I've got some thyme I just went out and got, and some rosemary. If you have parsley, those kind of things, that'd be good. We don't have any parsley, so that's all the herbs we've got. And this is where most of the flavor is going to come from, is from the turkey carcass. So there's my turkey carcass. That's the main part. These will be what was left over from the legs and the thighs and the wings. And we'll just put everything in this pot of water and bring it to a boil. Once it gets to boiling, then you turn it down to simmer and let it simmer for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. And then you'll have your turkey stock. You'll separate your liquids from your solids. If you want to use it immediately, what you need to do is skim off the fat. There will be some fat that's in that liquid. So just skim that off. Then you can use it to make turkey and dumplings right then. If you want to wait till later, you can actually put the liquid in the refrigerator. That fat will separate. It'll harden up. Then you just take it off. I have canned turkey stock where I'll pressure can it and keep it, and it keeps really well. So using your carcass from your turkey and making that last to get that flavor out of it. That's what works for me mostly. Okay, so now my stock has been on the eye for, I don't know, a couple of hours now, and it smells pretty good in the kitchen. And so I'm going to try to demonstrate or show you what it looks like. This is that pasta pot I was talking about. This thing is awesome. If you have solids and liquids you need to separate, this insert is really holding all the solids. So I don't want to set that on that. Well, that wasn't good, but okay. Anyway, so here we go. You can see my turkey carcass and vegetables in there. I'm just going to set it down in there. I didn't want to set it on the plastic protector. And then I've got my pot of turkey stock here that I'm just going to ladle out into this clear glass bowl so you can sort of see what it looks like. And it looks a lot like chicken stock that you might buy at the store. It's just that we made it at home, and so we really simmered the the turkey bones and you know, the meat that was clinging to those bones that we didn't get off while we were eating, and some vegetables and herbs. Didn't add any salt and pepper yet. We'll do that when we go to use it. And so we've got turkey stock that we're going to use tonight to make turkey and dumplings. So like chicken and dumplings, except it's turkey instead of chicken, and this will be smoked turkey. And you can use it for many other things. I may wind up pressure canning some of this. It'll probably last in the refrigerator a few days, you know, if we put it in quart jars and put it in the refrigerator. But in the past, I have pressure canned it and kept it a lot longer than that. So there we go, reusing the things that you get and using the whole turkey bird. That's what works for me mostly.